last 2 weeks of face-to-face learning, and you'll see some of these in this report. In addition, there is a birthday and some new students to welcome. The activities that you will see include 1D's presentation, 2 books presentation of somebody that they interviewed as part of their studies about the school community. 1J has a presentation about what peace means to them. And grade 3 has been learning about simple machines during their unit of inquiry, and they've been challenged to make their own Rube Goldberg machine. So you'll see some of the experiments that the children have created. Enjoy the following presentations. Windhoek International School welcomes several new students this week. Coming from Namibia, Andrew in 4K, who is also from Angola and Scotland, and Ludwig in 5A. From the USA, Jax in 2D and Jeremiah in 3C. And from the UK, Layla in 4D, who also comes from Thailand, and Miss Laura, our new art teacher. Join me now in wishing them all well and enjoying their time here at WIS. 1, 2, 3, whoosh!
Hi, my name is Vian, and I made a Rube Goldberg machine. The whole purpose of my Rube Goldberg machine is to raise up this flag, and I used 5 out of the 6 simple machines, and those simple machines are a wheel and axle, a wedge, an inclined plane, a lever, and a pulley. And how my Rube Goldberg is going to work is when I release my wedge, the wheel and axle will go onto the inclined plane. Then the wheel and axle is going to come onto this level and this lever. Then Minion is going to be knocked over. Then Minion is going to knock all over these Jenga blocks. Then one of these Jenga blocks will knock down the ball inside. Then it's going to roll, knock down the eraser, and lift up the flag. Let's see if it works.
Oops. Let's do it again.
Let's do it again.
Oopsie, oopsie, oopsie.
Yay!
There you go. It worked.
That was my Rube Goldberg machine. I hope you enjoyed. Bye. This is us in front of the office. So this is what I asked Miss Catherine. I asked her, what do you do at school? And she said she makes telephones, she helps kids, she helps the teachers, and she makes lots of telephones, and she also calls people if the kids are sick. The school secretary is Miss Catherine, and she's been working at 8 years at WIS, and happy because she likes working at WIS.
Miss Catherine likes to read a book on her free time.
going to be learning about community of school. We went to interview Miss Avril. We went to go and interview Miss Avril to find out what she does at WIS. I went to interview Miss. She said she traveled to different countries and she traveled to here. She wanted to work here because there was many different children in many different countries. I asked Miss Evan what she does at WIS, and she helps the teachers to plan what to do for the kids to read and to write. They plan in the office. Today yesterday we wanted to interview Miss Avril. So what she likes to do in her free time, she likes to go camping, and she has a puppy. She also saw some animals. She came from Australia because she saw the Winter International School. I am done. I drawed a picture of the world, the Earth, meeting the sun, and they liked each other so much. That's what brings me peace. People being nice to each other and then caring for one another. Bye-bye. That's what brings
That concludes our news report for this week. Thank you for watching.